caring at its core, and never raise our children to be martyred for men's wars. Women power, the patriarchy is done. We unite in solidarity. Women's time has come. Women power, we will not be ignored. We are a force that must be reckoned with. We're women, hear us roar! Okay, if you have not found the lyric sheets yet, they are at nmraginggrannies.com, and they come right up when you get there. And there is a QR code out here somewhere that somebody has that will take you there quickly. There's a QR code. If you prefer to use that, then type in nmraginggrannies.com. I hope you have your phones with you. And the next song is The Climate. It is a-changing, and it's to the tune of The Times They Are A-Changing. So please sing along. These are all meant to be sing-along songs. No, that was the last one. Hang on, I can't remember what it is. Gather round, people, we want you to hear how threats to the earth, they are something to fear. The world is on fire, Armageddon is near. This is urgent, no time for debating. Our beautiful planet is dying, it's clear. For the climate, it is a-changing. Come liars and liars who call it who pretend these disasters are nothing but jokes. When your children get asthma and grandmother strokes, even folks might admit they were faking. When the air that we breathe is like green packs of snow, now the climate, it is a-changing. The glaciers are melting, the forests will burn, and the great deal of karma will the powerful now will make her be spurned, 'cause it's science and truth
pretty outspoken and into the movement.
When civil rights belong to all, we will make our nation better. When civil rights belong to all, our human rights and racial